Listen, if you are still spending hours in Canva dragging boxes, fighting with templates that never look quite right, or paying designer to make a simple promotional poster, you are literally wasting your time and money. Because guess what? CapCut has added all these incredible new features into their web CapCut, and you can check it out right now through the link in the description below. And I tell you what, I'm absolutely loving it. I'm talking about clean, high quality, brand perfect visuals with perfect lighting. Do you see these guys? They are smart compositions and they have the potential to go viral, all made in less than a minute. It's not that crazy. This is CapCut AI design powered by their latest generation model C-Dream 5.0, and it might completely change how you create. So let me show you how it works. So our step number 1 is open your CapCut. So open your browser, search CapCut. Now there you go. Now you are inside the web editor. On the left side, click AI design. Now this is really important. Select the latest model, that is C-Dream 5.0, as I told you earlier, and that's the engine powering everything you're about to see. Because this is not a basic template generator. This is AI design built for business, creators, and high performance marketing visuals, and it runs entirely in your browser. Instead of starting from scratch, it begins the smart way. Alright, so step number 2 will be template plus first design. Alright guys, so we are inside AI design. Now choose a built-in template and you will immediately notice something different. These are powerful, well-balanced designs, very attractive, right? Now pick one that fits your niche. Let's say we are promoting a winter hoodie. The template already includes visual structures and prompt inspiration. Now we customize, upload your hoodie image, then modify the prompt, like for example winter streetwear sale, bold typography, premium aesthetic, high contrast lighting, and cinematic mode. Now next, click generate, and boom, with seconds you got a professional level design. Look at the quality and the design, it's absolutely amazing. So now our step number 3 will be creative scene example. Alright, now let's go for more crazy options here. Let's try another prompt. For example, a young man running in the city at sunrise with the earbuds in cinematic lighting, a motivational vibe, high energy, and a clean composition for an Instagram story. So AI does not just put the products on a random background, it knows how to use light, perspective, and mood. You can also see the runner looks real, the product fits in perfectly, the colors are bright, the whole things feel high-end and quality. And this kind of creative works used to require a photographer, a model, and a retoucher. But with CapCut C-Dream 5.0, there is nothing like this is needed. Alright, so now our step number 4 will be copy design style. And this is when it gets really scary. I find a poster I really like, a bright neon Black Friday design. I upload that poster as a reference, then I upload my own product, a high quality hoodie, and type the prompt, copy the style, layout, color scheme, and energy of the reference image exactly, but switch out the main product for the hoodie and change the text to winter sale up to 60% off. And the model looks at the reference like a real designer would. It copies everything, the neon glow, composition, fonts, and lighting, and then it perfectly fits my hoodie. And look at this result, they really looks custom made and absolutely fantastic. And before CapCut C-Dream 5.0, this was almost impossible without advanced Photoshop skills. Alright, now our step number 5 is multi-format redesigning, that is unchain plus expand. And this saves insane amount of time. I take one winning design and tell the AI, for example, resize this for all major platforms, and I select 1:1 for Instagram feed, 9:16 for TikTok and Reels, 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails, then 4:3 for Facebook ads, and 3:4 for stories, making sure the composition is strong in every version. With one click, I get 5 perfectly optimized designs. No copying by hand, no losing important parts, and no redesigning, because everything with CapCut C-Dream 5.0 is ready to post. Now our step number 6 is editing by chat, and this is my personally favorite feature. And here's what makes this tool feel real: editing conversation. Because you don't need to get the prompt right the first time, you just talk to it. For example, after making the hoodie, I type make the background darker, make the product stand out more, change the font to something bolder, and add a soft warm glow. And look at this, it's done. It's perfectly created by CapCut C-Dream 5.0. Then I say remove the sleep tag, make the model slime mode, and change all the colors to darker winter tones. And look at this, it updates instantly. Each round gets better. It's like having a patient, talented designer besides you. Now here's one more example creators will love, that is YouTube thumbnails. So I uploaded a picture from my latest vlog. I say make this a high click YouTube thumbnails. I survived the deadliest hike in Pakistan. Bold letters, dramatic lighting, high contrast, red arrow, cinematic automatic color grading. Then I say give me 3 more options and boom, 4 thumbnails in under 2 minutes. And this newest generation model make this possible. It understands branding, lighting, compositions and what makes design perform. For small business owners, online sellers and creators, this is really huge. Because with CapCut Seedream 5.0, you can now create posters, product images, bundle deals, store banners, live stream overlays, campaign visuals, social media assets, and of course YouTube thumbnails, all at professional quality without hiring designers or waiting days. With CapCut Seedream 5.0, you stay consistent, you move faster, and you save money. And now CapCut is offering limited free access, meaning everyone can try it a certain number of times for free before upgrading. Alright, so now check out the CapCut AI design powered by Seedream 5.0 using the link in the description below. Try it on your PC or laptop and see what you can create. And if you have any questions regarding this video and regarding CapCut Seedream 5.0, let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely go and watch this video now. And lastly, before going, hit that red subscribe button and that like button too.